Kupar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Roy Kupar Sindram u President ka Hanyotrap Youth Council. Shibanta ha kajing keren jong ulapan pao kajing sngo diaw halor kajing duna palat ki Samla try Jylla. Kibawan bani shibanta ha kajing elang kershani ki Samla ha Delhi halor kajing latu kajing kali nit. Uba Roy uloong bakalong ke ek bas ngau si banyu I baki Samla kiba na kani ka Jylla kimpat ngau thu halor kajing kabala ban kta namar kajing le ka sarkar India uloong ba kiba poi sha kajing elang kidei na kiwei ki Jylla kumta uloong ba kimdei ban kensting namar kani kajing ja kam kta tang yakiwei kiba na kari thor henre ya kari baro kawei but anda wanra ka sarkar India yaki policy ba pher ha kata kapor kin wan wa jingyarap ni kiseng bahalang katba dadon ka jingja ka bakta pat kim mi shekmat ban karshan ni mi pat ba kaan jong ka sarkar India ka kta ru ya uwei pa uwei unong shongshnong ka Jylla Meghalaya dei halor kani kanong rim ba ka HYC ka kwa abandon hasanda bat ki khon Samla ki Jingïakhih hapo Delhi loong uba Roy Kupar
Nagi policy kian jo sarkar India kitaro yo way no song jo ni Jylla Meghalaya di halor kini kanong rim makum rasai nisno bagi ha bandon hasanda jo kini kun Samla Jingïakhih hapo Delhi o wala dang yumla dalali bani do ringka baki Jingïakhih renang ba kani Jingïakhih dasi Igwa bangka ya kawai ka kubor ban ong yaki ba phimdon marway renginong song jong ka Jylla Meghalaya ki kun Samla jong ka Jylla Meghalaya ki don asenda jogi. I would like to welcome each and every one of you who are here from my tribe youth council. We welcome each and every one of you. Your presence here today shows that the people of Meghalaya, the youth of Meghalaya, stand shoulder to shoulder with our youth in New Delhi. Your presence here today shows that you are concerned about the future of your child, about the future of your brother, of your sister. Your presence here today sends a very clear message to the people that are in power, that you cannot mess with the youth of this country because the work, the pain that our brothers and sisters are facing in New Delhi is paying us also in the streets of Meghalaya, in every household of Meghalaya. Today, we are gathered here not because we want to protest, not because we enjoy to protest, but because in the face of injustice, even keeping silence is also an injustice. We remember the words of the great Martin Luther King Jr. He once said that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Injustice that is causing now on the streets of New Delhi to the youth who are demanding for the right of each and every youth of this country. Today, it is happening in New Delhi. Tomorrow, it might happen in Shillong. It might happen in Aizawl, in Impal, in any part of the country. If we, the citizens of this country, do not rise up and stand to tell, to show these people who are in power that we will not tolerate the injustice caused to the youth. We will not tolerate the injustice caused to our children, to the future, to their future. Before we talk about protest, let us also talk about the causes that lead to this protest. Behind every student that sat in the examination hall to write their exam, there are families who have sacrificed. There are fathers who have sacrificed. There are sleepless nights. There are mothers who have sacrificed for their happiness just to make sure that their kids get the best education. But one paper leak one incident of paper leak, the whole dreams is shattered. Now the question is, who will take responsibility for this? If not the people who are in power. Who will take responsibility for the future, for the years that our children, that our students have lost? To prepare for one need exams, a student will have to take a gap of a year or two just to prepare so that they get good marks, good grades, they get to admitted in some good institution. But one incident of paper leak shattered the whole dream. The dreams of every student. The question is, who will take responsibility? If not the people who are in power, if not the education minister of this country, he should take the responsibility. The people of Meghalaya, the youths of Meghalaya, we are here today together to send also one very clear message to the government of India, to the people who are in power, that government may come and government may go. Political parties may fall and they may rise. But the people of India and the Constitution of India will remain constant. And our rights under the Constitution of India will be there. You may arrest us. You may detain us. But how will you arrest and detain the idea, the courage of the youth of this country? Our government, the people who are in power, they think that they are invincible. No one can touch them. But the youth of this country, for the last 1 month, 1.5 months, they have been fighting, they have been protesting in New Delhi, and I'm sure that this incident that has happened for the last few days will also speak to the minds of all the youth of the country, all parts of the country, to rise up together and to fight. Because what the youths are fighting, they are not fighting for their own benefits, but they are fighting for the benefits of millions of youths across the country. To be brought in the education system of this country. You cannot play with the future of the youth of this country. So today, this meeting here in Shillong, from the hills of Shillong, we want to send a message to our youth, to our fellow youth in New Delhi, that you are not alone. The people of Meghalaya are with you. The youth of Meghalaya are with you. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. And I'm sure that in the days to come, more and more youth will join in this protest till the day that we see that true transformation, true reformation in the education system of our country. You say that the youth are the future of this country. The question you want to ask you, what future? What kind of a future do our youth dream of? When the examinations are compromised, the honest students are being cheated. What kind of future do we look for our kids, for the students, for the youths of this country? Years of hard work, months of sleepless nights, sacrifices of our family, sacrifices of our loved ones, just to prepare for one important exam in the life of a student. But one paper leak shattered the whole dream. It shattered the dreams of not only of a particular student, but it shatters also the dream of the family. So we live in a country where these people who are in power, they don't care about the education system. They leave it to the drain. They don't want to change to bring reforms. Why? Because their children does not study in India, they study abroad. They don't want the education system to be better. Because they know that their children, they don't have to study in India, they have to study abroad. They want the youth of India to be affected by the system that is there now. They don't want to change the system. They don't want to better the system. They want to keep the youth of this country in frustration. They want to keep the youth of this country in a state of mind that will lead them to more ills than for the better. So this fight that the youth are taking in New Delhi, it is a fight for the future of the country. It is a fight for the future of our kids. So we, as a people of Meghalaya, the youths of Meghalaya, we also have to stand shoulder to shoulder with them. Of course, I'm a bit disappointed. Nasro diau, banpet bat banyoi yang ada hui di sisa. Bahan ikut yang pun kena ketinggalan. Banpeni yang kajing lali kajing dolang kajongi bat Jingïakhih yang pun diudali. Ngawang yang biar mengapet yang ada. Yang didormat jom diberi kepada ini. Kesoleran betul. Bangkung kajak beliau impak sungguh. Yang kajingnya kebanyakan dulu lembaga di Jingïakhih. Kalau dipek saudong, pek penuh dan biar didormat jom tu. Jom diberi kepada yang kajak beliau jom ini. Nanti dia dikiwempat diberi nak kiwempat kita beliau. Impak sungguh. Yang Jingïakhih jom nakam. Nampak pun keren yang tadi nama berting-ting, kum kajak beliau ikan sting sebab malam. Fimut, lada ni ki paper pun New Delhi, ki kun sama ki jongi ki bayale ke exam kam tak iki. Lada ni ki paper, jong ki exam berber. Ki bahap pun ye kun. Hanya ki kun sama jong ni Jylla jongi, atu kam tak si, ye ki kun sama jong. Jadi, lada wandra ke Jingïakhih ke education system, banaikan kita, kami dikun sama, lari kita sama, kita syong apa Delhi, kita syong apa Mumbai, kita syong apa Kolkata. Kami kita, yang kita Samla, jom ke Shillong, jom ke Nongsten, jom ke Joy. Ini semua tu, yang ke Jingïakhih, yang kita balak ban kita, yang kita sama. Ngakren dan Jingïakhih. Ngakran dah kajing snow dakram yang kajong kajak punya bandong bawa casting yang pun kini Jingïakhih kini Jingïakhih kita tangi kibri di bersong seritua kita amu yangi yang dikuan ke jongi yang dibahai bisa jongi di banyane yang pun kini bisa dan ini dawa banwara ke Jingïakhih aga putri aga education system kamu pendawa tang mentah syariah kamu pendawa yang baru jom away kami jom kita song jom kali ini ani boleh lembaga kita sini kau mentah nakut nowhere ya kini kita ya kikun sama jom kajak beliau bal kinyami syahmat bal penbau ya kasur jom kiu kembalakan kembalakan nadu mana Bagi Jingïakhih ada di kampus tang ada di kakta lang jangi baru ki badang dehi bansong hapo upur usam jongrinya tandang ilamino dari India dari sini tak kita baca di polisi kuandra nak jongrinya dengan kot lembaga negasi lembaga negapot yang hilang baru badong babadon pun di Jingïakhih yang ni syahmat yang penpau yang penpau syabab bangiru kumda Jylla niru kumda jakriu misukya yang ada Jingïakhih ban ngidon senda bandawa nak benta ban penha yang putih putih ban penha bagi kun sama hidungi ikun giti hidungi kino syakta nang ni syakma bagi ngidon tu kumda Jylla kumda jakriu om sinodong weiru nak jakriu hidungi Ubala Shimla, Ukun Samla, Ubala Shimla, yang kajang Jingïakhih. Lembaga Jingïakhih akhirnya Jingïakhih, bandong yang memberi exam yang ni bakun tak ada dia. Wan apa kan? Bahkan boy kapur, pahadu benda jangan ke Jingïakhih. Lah kalau haying jonga, lah kalau haying jongpi, lah haying jongi, bagi sakit dia memberi. Bandong, bagi don kam yang Jingïakhih, idon kam ban penbah, yang education system. Pari para dua persen. Gakwa bankot yapi shim yang Jingïakhih aku happy. Pidon lagi kun di pidon yang dibahaya masam kalau yang Jingïakhih macam tu. Yang kun Samla kita dulu. Inang kemilan di wanyoi yang kun Samla, kita Pule, kita colleges, kita ber, kita school, kita ber, bapinyawan mandon nangkat. Hamil, aku mengajar program. Ni jawa mengi Melayu. O presiden yang kaya cuaisi undang kamsu banyak ni exam. O presiden yang kaya cuaisi undang kamsu banyak kamsorka. Labiang, Remalai ini yang menyeng. Hamil hancaka, hakani hancaka, hamil hendalah. Banyak keren, bandawa, banwara jingkela, hakata ke education system. Dan yang berukam peniat, yang Pule putih, akan digari dia ini berokok. Balai, nama jonglo, nama jongpi, ikut Samla, coba saya beli biaya dia tersebut. Delada mapi dah dia pak, pinjam yang Jingïakhih, kakno yang mangi manhala, kakno yang mangi banyak perta, banyak hit. Lada mapi kitrai, pinjam yang Jingïakhih alor tadi. Nampak bakani kalau lajing sling bakal jingkan tu nana umuman jombi kumpai ngasam jombi pasyam yang Jingïakhih aku kini jingjamu watau mak kemilan di baki wei di beliau nak wei ngajak beliau kiwan ban pendap yang digajaka nak bentang jomlo nak bentang jombi ino som jom dengan Jylla beli kitrai jom keno wasyap kitrai jom ngari lebih dia anu kita intrai, jalan ni syok hayang, milo beri berapa, penpenuh beriau ni sekarang. Kalau kaya kau buat instruksi, ngahapan keren, mana tu ni asyik ranting apa yang kedua kata lagi, no asyik mentar ni cakap, nah ini kau pun dekat empat kata beriau, paling dikhot kata beriau juga, apa dia kata ni. What's no mong, ngahapan keren, yang kau beri keren, ngahapan penpau, yang kau beri penpau. Nama lada kimia kende, lada kimia semua yang ada di Shisha. Nalawan Banwandra, Kasorka India, yang di polisi kita fair, sawat ikisem balang. Mioto exam, apa mengalia, hamil to, syakal kata, hamil to, syadali, hamil to, syakal tala. Phone kita melam sembalang, penyakiran langsir, pentolang sir. Dan mentang dan kamu ni Hima pijak saya pijak ingkran sah sebuni ada sorkal India wanra ki polisi ki fair nangni syakma kabakta yapi haka Pule kadang ni Jingïakhih apa India ka ki Samla dari India walau kowe kilate pan peniang Jingïakhih ni nang dia Meghalaya, I need a special provision, I need a special exemption. Kumangilali, hagisnam di baladap, nak petang CUET, berkiwe-kiwe. Inlas, apakah puan kadang day, premier lapan. Naladap ko merendang setang ngam Jylla, sawat ikinoirap, wal ikiseng balang, banyarap keren, banyarap Jingïakhih, balai. Nama mangi yang dalam kamdan jauh, yang dalam betang menyerap jadi, tapi dalam kamdan lada mangi dalam kampan, pipi nak beli, pada dalam lengkap. Hajing sisa anak milenti, bagi kun Samla lagi hajar, ibadan tanah dia semua. Kalau dia bendak kan dia kata, dia katain, walau taruh doi kaki balak bendan, akan dia jaga. Yang dikhot juga jangan beliau masuk menai kajian Pule yang bilang baru berpilawan banai mensiam yang dikun Samla ban peni syah bo return sekali dia hidup kowe maka Jylla Meghalaya dikhot juga jangan beliau nyotra tidon hasenda ban kali Jingïakhih ban nginang yang don nang ni syahmak